You discover skills you never had after leaving your corporate job. Believe it or not, I didn't like content creating. Being in front of the camera was something I never wanted to do. Mas gusto ko nasa likod daw ng camera, ako yung nagbi-video sa'yo, ako yung nagtuturo sa'yo ng gagawin mo, and hindi yung nagsasalita sa harap, kinukwento kung ano ang gagawin, ano nangyayari, at paano to. These were skills I learned along the way. I had to enroll in certain schools, I had to learn to certain courses, I had to take up certain practice, certain work titles, and a lot more. Job titles maybe, or even mga bagay na hindi ko gusto because as an introvert by nature, as an INFJ, I would rather prefer to be at a place na I just work with myself. I don't really need to work with people. And that's partly the case. Pero you cannot succeed in a social media or a content creator role nang mag-isa ka lang and you're not connecting with people. Maybe, ikaw rin, gusto mo rin maging content creator pero takot ka. Maybe, kailangan mo pa ng push. Ako na magbibigay sa inyo ng push tulad ng mga nagbigay ng push sa akin na gawin to dahil hindi ko rin nakalang nandito ako sa posisyon na to. Kaya mo yan.